Hi, I'm Dylan Peacock and I'm going to be showing you how to use the 8 and 21 moving average together. Sometimes you can see that price will cause the 8 to cross below the 21 and the 8 to cross above the 21 in a very short period of time. And this can get quite messy if you are only using one moving average. If you were using the 21 moving average, you would have been in and out of quite a few trades. And the same with the 8 moving average. In green, you can see that price often moves to break the moving average, and as you want to go short, it comes back above and stops you out or takes you out the market. But you do want a previous downtrend and you want them to cross over, and this is how you're going to use them when they cross over. On the previous swing low, you will put your stop loss once you enter your trade. On the crossover, you want to enter that trade. So this candle here, stop loss is all the way down there because that is previous swing low. And as price moves along the 21 moving average, you can have faith in the 8 moving average because it is finding support on the 21, and you can see price now goes above the 8, and you get reassurance and more confidence because price is staying on the 8 moving average. It isn't breaking it. It hasn't closed below. And so you have some faith. When it does break below, you want to start watching it. And as price moved on the next crossover, you would have exited your trade. And that would be it.